The Jagwe Asong Tourism NGO of Deephu had on Monday celebrated the World Tourism Day at Ruipi Langso Waterfall in Dakiram Ronghang and Ramlekte villages under Dolamara Police Station. Here is a report. With an aim to promote tourism in Karbi Anglong, the Jagwe Asong Tourism NGO had been celebrating the Tourism Day at different new places of scenic beauty since the past few years. Their intention is to explore the unseen places and popularize them in order to attract tourists. Like every year, this time the NGO had chosen the unexplored waterfall Ruipi Langso. The waterfall is located at a distance of 4 to 5 kilometers from Dolamara town.
Pili World Tourism Day ni dak Jagwe Asong NGO pen alabangso adin Dolamara lo Duarbaguri constituency lo ladak tame isi langsung do pusialang do arjulong te labangso langsung nang discovery konsepini bang lo selake 5 kilometers antar Dolamara proper pen daan da nangi lapen labangso langsung kidorong lake Dakiram Ronghang rong lapen puihi Ramlekte rong la lo rong ni dak situlo la si pili ladak alang itum pe labangso langsung ki paklain phasi bang lo lapen labangso langsung pe job Karbiang lo Thomas Council pe yang sudah tourism department pe katin chuan sa deng bulte ladak ke bogor kira era tumse chujor chulanga hin penalong ji.
5 years ago, the NGO had organized the same event at Kaipo Langso, another waterfall in the locality. Since then, rush of tourists to the waterfall have been seen and several families have got sources of livelihood. The NGO as well as locals are hopeful that if Ruipi Langso is developed to a tourist site, the population of the area will get huge opportunity for selling local agricultural products as well as products of weaving and handicraft.
Itum Jagwe Asong NGO penitum ladak anak homri ke lalo ladak same lason langsun kelang mesen langsun Ruipi Langso langsun same kelang mesen la ladak itum tourism potentiality dak itum theklong la si mopen itu ke ba hosame itum jethan lo ladak bang ke isila natural beauty bang itum preserve pa menang fall pen ke itum kedam ke ba phan atowar ta mela ale ka hinoret kali jongsi hong pen ke ba itum ke la lo itum non kajiranga itum te bokhet Kajiranga te bokhet pen itum ladak pen jongsi itum Karbiang long kelang meadim hala dak pen tourist atum manda itum kosom si itum lapu Karbiang long same ke ban pen itum ako dak revenue ke andu nai ma thema peneng athim ke la tourism and pen la ke kone athim lo masi dak dolo tourism and inclusive growth.
The celebration on Monday was led by Jagwe Asong President Augustine Timong and Secretary Nobin Timong. It was attended by KSA Dolamara Branch Secretary Angel Sonteron, Duarbaguri BJYM Secretary Samson Ingti and others. Arjison Rongpar from Dolamara, Karbi Anglong Live.